Good morning, students. This is Mukesh Chauhan, PGT English. Students, today I am going to release my first video for the students of class 12th English. Students, I am going to deal with poetry section first. So my today's video will be for poetry section. My first poem will be My Mother at 66. Students, this poem is composed by the great poetess of India, that is Kamala Das. Kamala Das was not only a poetess, she used to write novels and fiction. She used to write in Malayalam. Later on they were translated in language, that is English language, which you are going to read today. This poem is basically based on personal relations. In this poem, the poetess has tried to show how she feels when she realizes that her mother is on the edge of separation. She realizes that very shortly she is going to lose her mother. In this poem, she has described a short journey which she undergoes from her home to Cochin airport. Actually, she was going abroad, so she was herself driving and her mother was sitting beside her. In this poem, the poetess tells us while she was driving from home to Cochin airport, she noticed certain changes in her mother. She notices that her mother was yawning. She was sleepy. There was no attraction, there was no charm which is supposed to be on a lady's face. Then she realizes that her mother is growing old, and she realizes that very shortly she is going to lose her mother. She was not having actually the hope whether she will be able to see her mother again or not. Even then she tries to maintain the things so that her mother may not realize that her daughter is sad. Therefore, she does all the things which she could do. While she driving, she tries to keep her thoughts away from her mother, so she looked out of the window of her car. She noticed that the trees were running behind, and not only trees were running behind, she noticed that the children of the village houses which she passed in her way, they were coming out. For this she has used some special words, spilling out and sprinting. In sprinting she has used for the trees which were moving back because of the motion of the car, and the children who were coming out for the sake of enjoyment for playing outside of the house. When she reaches at the airport and after the final checkup at the security at airport, she again ensured about her thoughts. Therefore, she looked again at her mother's face, whether her thought was right or it was wrong. She noticed again that her mother's face was wan pale. Wan pale means yellow, light pale. She has compared her mother's face like a corpse, that is dead body. She has also compared her mother's face with the moon in winter season. The poetess says, I looked again at her wan pale as a late winter's moon and felt that old familiar ache. The poetess says when she noticed that her mother's face was becoming pale, yellow, she realized that her mother was getting old. Immediately she recalls her childhood fear. Childhood fear is nothing when we are very small and learn to move by holding the mother's finger. At the time, a kind of fear remains always with us. May not be separated from our mother, may not be lose our mother. This kind of fear comes back to her mind that this is the time when I am going to lose my mother again. Therefore, she has used her childhood fear or the familiar act that was her childhood fear. At this time, she could not think anything else. Now she was thinking, how can I make my mother realize that I am not sad, I am not disappointed at all on leaving her, and how can I make my mother realize that I am full of expectations, I am full of hope that very soon I will see her. Therefore, she just smiled and she could say only, see you, Amma. And she smiled, smiled, smiled. Here the question may arise why the poetess has used the word smile 3 times. The poetess has tried to emphasize that she was, although not in a position to assure her mother that she would be able to see her again. She is not a little bit sad to leave her. This she wanted to make her mother realize, therefore she just smiled. So here the poetess has used smile 3 times to emphasize that she was trying to keep her mother happy. Here the poetic device is repetition and 2 more words which were like winter's moon. Here poetic device is simile. So in the whole poem the poetess has used 2 poetic devices which are simile and repetition. Okay, thank you.